Bonsai is a Japanese term which means planted in a container. The ultimate goal of growing a bonsai is to create the miniature but realistic representation of nature in the form of trees. Growing bonsai is not similar to the general gardening or growing plants. It is like an art of sculpturing which takes great amount of patience and efforts. The sole purpose of bonsai are contemplation for the viewer, enhance the aesthetic appeal of the surrounding, and the pleasant exercise of effort for the grower. Similar versions of bonsai exist in other cultures too, namely the miniature living landscapes of Vietnam's Hon Non Bo, which is imitating the scenery of the islands, mountains, and the surrounding environment as found in nature. Similar version can also be seen in China known as Penzing, that is tray scenery. It is an art of creating miniature scenery including trees, flowers, waters, rivers, and mountains, and even proclaim people and things in small pots to mimic the beauty of real life nature. It is said that this art of tray planting originated first in China and then was spread by the Buddhist monks who wished to bring the outdoors inside their temples. There are many styles for growing bonsai, but the major variety of styles are broom style or hoki-dachi. This style is suited for deciduous trees with extensive fine branching. The trunk is straight and upright and does not continue to the top. The branches and leaves form a ball-shaped crown, which is also a stunning sight during the winter months. Formal upright or chokkeen. The formal upright is a very common form of bonsai. In this style, the tree is exposed to lot of light and does not face the problem of competing trees. In this style, tapering of the upright growing trunk must be clearly visible. The trunk must be thicker at the bottom and grow increasingly thin, and at the 1/4 of the total length, the branching should begin. The top of the tree should be formed by a single branch. Informal upright or moyogi. The informal upright style is common in both nature and art of bonsai. This style is similar to the formal upright, but the trunk grows roughly in the shape of letter S, and at every turn branching occurs. Tapering of the trunk must be clearly visible. Mostly, base of the trunk is thicker than the higher portion. Slant style or shakkeen. As a result of the wind blowing in one dominant direction, or when a tree grows in shadow, it bends towards the sun. Hence, the tree leans in one direction. In bonsai, the leaning style should grow at an angle of 60 to 80 degrees relative to the ground. The first branch grows in the opposite direction of the tree to create a sense of visual balance. The roots are well developed on one side to keep the tree standing. The trunk can be slightly bent or completely straight, but still thicker at the bottom than at the top. Cascade style or kenjai. A tree on a steep cliff can bend downwards as a result of several factors like snow or falling rocks, due to which the tree grows downwards. With bonsai, it is difficult to maintain the downwards growth due to the natural tendency of a tree to grow upright. In cascade style, bonsai are planted in tall pots. The trees should grow upright for a small stretch and then bend downwards. The crown of the tree usually grows above the rim of the pot, but the branches grow on the outermost curves of an S-shaped trunk. These branches should grow out horizontally in order to maintain the balance of the tree. Semi-cascade style or Han Kenjai. Similar to cascade style, it is found on cliffs on the banks of river or lakes in nature. The trunk grows upright for a small distance and then bends downwards or sidewards. In this style, the trunk will never grow below the bottom of the pot. Double trunk and multi-trunk style or Soken and Kabudachi. In double trunk style, both trunk often grow out of one root, but it is also possible that the smaller trunk grows from the larger trunk just above the ground. This style is common in nature but not so common in bonsai. Similarly, in multi-trunks grow from single root system and it truly is one single tree. In these styles, all the trunks form one crown of leaves, in which the thickest, tallest and the most developed trunk forms the top. Forest bonsai style or Yoshiyu. This style looks a lot like the multi-trunk style, but the difference is it is compressed of several trees rather than one tree with several trunks. The most developed trees are planted in the middle of the large and shallow pot. On the sides, a few smaller trees are planted to contribute one single crown. The trees are planted in a staggered pattern for a more natural appeal. Shari style or Sharimaki. As time passes, some trees develop a bald or barkless places on the trunks as a result of harsh weather conditions. With bonsai, the bark is removed with a sharp knife and barkless spots are treated with lime sulfur in order to speed up the bleaching process. Now coming to the interesting facts of bonsai. The smallest bonsai tree in the world will fit in the palm of your hand. The most expensive bonsai tree was sold for $1.3 million. Bonsai cultivation is an old art which dates back to 2000 years ago. A 50-year-old bonsai pine tree was shot 30,000 meters into the stratosphere. The most famous bonsai in the world, Goshin, which means the protector of spirits, is at a museum in US. The largest bonsai in the world is the imperial class, which are up to 5 meter tall. Bonsai are not dwarf plants, and the interesting fact is that any tree species can be cultivated to become a bonsai. Bonsai trees can also produce fruits. The heroic fact is that a bonsai plant has survived Hiroshima bombing in Japan. The art of bonsai is so famous that the second Saturday of May is celebrated as the World Bonsai Day. Now coming to the cons of growing bonsai plants. The scientific cons of keeping bonsai at home are: they are capable of causing an array of health issues ranging from sinus congestions to memory body fatigue and memory impairment. Black mold can form the perfect condition to occur in the soil if kept moist. Dealing with an insect infection is one of the cons of keeping a bonsai tree at home.